In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect PayPal from GoHighLevel. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can safely remove your PayPal connection without breaking anything accidentally. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account and what to click to fully disconnect PayPal. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you're in the correct location or workspace where PayPal is currently connected. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Find the option labeled Payments. Go ahead and click on Payments. This is where GoHighLevel keeps everything related to your payment methods, transactions, and integrations. After the Payments page loads, you'll see a few different options or tabs. Look for the tab or section called Integrations. This is where all of your connected payment gateways and tools will show up. Click on Integration so you can view the services that are currently linked to your account. On the integration screen, you should see PayPal listed as one of your connected payment providers. If PayPal is successfully connected, you won't see a connect button for it. Instead, you'll see a button labeled Manage. This is important. If you see Manage, it means PayPal is already linked and ready to be adjusted or disconnected. Go ahead and click on the Manage button next to PayPal. Once you click Manage, GoHighLevel will open a panel or window with details about your PayPal integration. Here, you may see some information about your current connection, such as which account is linked and how payments are being processed. The system may also show a few on-screen prompts or confirmation messages to make sure you really want to disconnect. Carefully read any message that appears so you understand that disconnecting PayPal will stop any future payments from being processed through that gateway. This does not usually affect existing records of past transactions, but it does mean new payments won't go through PayPal once it's disconnected. Now, look for the option to disconnect. This will usually appear as a button labeled Disconnect somewhere near the bottom of the window or panel. When you're ready, click the Disconnect button. If a confirmation pop-up appears, confirm that you do want to proceed. After that, PayPal will be disconnected from your GoHighLevel account and the integration will no longer be active.